Hey man, I appreciate my 3 new followers. Umar 525, Coolim, and Lindog. Stir this drink some more, man. I'm gonna put the phone down, let it get a good vision of it for y'all while I stir. Hold on, y'all. Hit that wall. Okay, he good. He good. Damn, he held that thing, man. He just got out of control all the way down there. I couldn't even press zoom. Look at they steady running down there. He ain't hitting nothing. That thing still crank up. Dude ran out his shoes. He gonna be tired when he get to that 8th mile. Them legs and slow down. I done did that before. I done did that before. Them legs slowly. Bet he stop before he get there. How much y'all want to bet? No full pass. He ain't touched nothing.
I didn't think he
You
did.
think he gonna make a full pass zoom down there? Right now, he's still doing good right now.
I can't even, my zoom sucks.
Damn, he might is gonna make a full pass. Usually they stop when they get real close. There you go. Oh, now, he jogging now. 1, 2, 3. He lifted. Yeah, he lifted. Yeah, he lifted. He lifted. He only 1/4% gas pedal. He in overdrive. He in overdrive, y'all. He in overdrive. Ooh. Ooh. I ain't know that lime make it taste a little bit. That lime good too in there. Ooh, that misconfig. Raji 1. GMB King, what's up with it? Medusa TV. Hey. Well, this drink good. Oh yeah, they made it right. I'm gonna have to get it with Nader, man. They be taking care of me. I'm gonna make her stir it up next time for me. Usually stir it up. Where Galen is so I can get my discount on. Look for some white hair, y'all. Just look at the top, just find white hair. You'll find Galen. Oh, there you go. Found it. I only had one lookout so far. I ain't seen a nice big block yet. What's with it, man? Galen. Yeah, Galen, man. They saying that we need to come up with a system because I got people buying a drink. We need to come up with a system. They were saying they charging 14. up there with the drink place. Tell them to go down right in front of them. That mug is good. It's one of them drinks you can just take a sip and just chill out, walk a little bit, talk a little shit.